Question number 11. Star X has a surface temperature T, luminosity L, and radius R. So somewhere temperature, luminosity, radius. How do you relate these each one of them? Right, L is equal to sigma T power 4, sigma A T power 4. A T power 4. What is A here? A is nothing but 4 pi R square into T4. What is this I have done? I have done for star X. Luminosity of star Y is 4L. I'll write 4L is equal to the same formula once again. And the surface temperature is 2T. Sigma into, okay, so it's not given the radius over here. So I'll do one thing, I'll just write 4 pi into R2 square multiplied by temperature is 2T, which would be 2T to the power of 4. Okay. If I simplify this, I get the sigma into 4 pi into R2 square multiplied by 2 power 4 is 16. 16 p power 4. 16 p power 4 I get. Now what should I do? This is for y over here. Now what should I do? Now what do I need here? I need this R2. So I use this subject. I'll divide 1 by the other. How do I divide it? I take 4L first. 4L by L is equal to. Then I'll take corresponding to 4L. I'll write a sigma into 4 pi into R2 square into 16 into p power 4. I wrote p power 4. P power 4 divided by. Now what is here? I'll write sigma into 4 pi into R square into T 4. Sigma goes away, L goes away, 4 pi goes away. I cannot cancel these two. Okay. Then I have T power 4 goes away. So what I have here? I have here as 4 is equal to, I have 16 R2 square, 16 R2 square divided by R square I have, right? So 4 ones are 4 4s are over here, which means I will have 1 is equal to 4 R2 square by R square. Or in other words, I can now write R2 square is equal to, this R square goes that side, 4 comes downwards. R square divided by 4, or R2 is equal to R by 2. So the answer is A over here. Okay.